What is going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here, and in today's video we're going to be doing some testing on my Traxxas Trx4 Bronco. Alright guys, so here we are. We're outside in the field to bring you this test. It's a little rainy, some blue skies, some clouds, some sun, but you know what? For the winter, I'm not going to complain. I found an area that doesn't have a lot of snow. I've never been here before, but I see lots of rocks and I know the area, so there should be some good crawls to do the testing. And what we're going to be testing is the Hobbywing axe system in my Trx4 Bronco. Now, if you are a follower of my channel, you know that I like my Hobbywing axe systems, and I recently upgraded the Red Cat rather to the version 2 of the axe system. So I took the version 1 and put it into the Trx4, and in today's video we're going to go out, test it, and I'm going to give you all of my thoughts and let you know if you should go ahead and put one in your truck. Okay, so here we are, just to give you a rundown of the rig. You can see the motor in here. That is the Hobbywing axe motor right there. It's got that big old sensor wire on it. And the ESC is a little bit big, but everything fits, no problem. So I did want to install the 550 can, but as you know, version 1 has some interference. I know there's some remedies, nothing of the sort that I wanted to do. Luckily they came out with that version 2, but if you happen to want to try to do that on this, you're going to have the same sort of problems, I believe. So I am still rocking that small 540 can. Is it going to be enough power for this truck? We're about to find out. Other setup here, I'm going for scale look. So yeah, I got a bumper with a spare tire on it. That definitely hinders performance. Not necessarily for this test. We're just trying to see how the motor feels and power and all that. Not necessarily all-out performance in crawling, but how it performs in this rig. Other than that, I got a little bit of brass. We got a nice servo. I got the light kit. We're going to be running J Concepts Scorpios and their green compound on these incision wheels here, non-vented. It's wet out and stuff, so that's just stock foam in there. If anyone is curious, I do have a 3D printed interior from KSP Customs. He does some scale printing. I'll put a link in the description, but he printed me up this interior that I bought a file on, so that obviously adds some more weight too. We're controlling the truck. We got the DX5 rugged, so yeah, that is the layout of everything I got. There's my little driver I got. This is a guy from The Mandalorian. Quail or Quill. I never watched the show, but I just buy the cool looking figures. He fits that interior from Night Customs perfect, because it is narrow to get figures in there. Like lengthwise rather, not narrow, but it's short if you want to get taller drivers in there. But some of the shorter figures work out good, so I got this guy in there. And you know, that's what the truck looks like from the outside. See, my lights are all on, so I might turn the brightness up on those. All right, so I got you set on the tailgate, and I'll just kind of show you real quick before the trail. Look at how slow crawl this thing goes. It's just so buttery smooth. All right, let's get it down on the trail and go for a run.
Too many of the high school kids are going steady. Do you think this is true?
I don't think that high school kids go steady as much as kids in junior high school. I know when I was in junior high school, why, if you went out with a boy once, why, all the other boys just simply wouldn't date you because you were going steady. You give me all the problems.
So right away I can tell the thing is just so buttery smooth. The axe system is really a smooth system. I know not everyone likes it. I really like it, but just that precise like feel it has, it's kind of hard to explain unless you've driven one. I like it. It's just, this truck is just like so smooth now. I can't wait to actually get some crawling done. I never been here. I'm just kind of going up the power lines, see what I can find. So.
This at all? Going steady business?
Well, with one boy 3 times. I mean, this is with Danny Dawes, 1 3 times. And, she was pretty much aligned as his girl. The guys in Dermere even call her or something. You go out with 3 different guys and you're a dealer. And I mean...
So one thing this system really does well is drag brake. You can see here I'm on a very steep incline. It holds it really well. You can still get some really nice smooth downhill control, which is really great.
Give me all the problems, and you have everything, and then it's just a bunch of nothing, really, just blowing hot air.
All right, so that's how it crawled. You can see how it crawled. I figured just to demonstrate the power situation a little bit more, I'll put it on the blacktop and do some full throttle pulls and just let you kind of see. It is a little heavy in the rear, so we might get some wheelie action, but you know, you'll get a sense of the power. So I'll set this camera up and do a couple pulls just so you can get a sense of how much torque this thing has. All right, so there it is. You're able to see some of those full throttle pulls. You can see it's wheeling. I think some of that has to do with the weight of the spare on the back, but it didn't do that before with the brush system. So this thing's got a lot of torque. It just doesn't have maybe the wheel speed that some desire. But don't shy away from it because of that. But, you know, the smoothness outweighs the raw power for me. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, RC_propaganda. Leave any of your comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.